Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. But before we proceed, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos. For today's video, let's talk about how to earn money on Hubpages. Hubpages is a platform that allows you to create and publish articles on various topics. Here's a general overview of how to earn money on Hubpages. First is create high-quality content. Write well-researched and informative articles on topics you're knowledgeable about. Your articles should be engaging, easy to read, and provide value to your readers. Second is sign up and set up an account. Visit the Hubpages website and sign up for an account. Fill out your profile information and set up your account preferences. Third, write and publish articles hubs. Create articles referred to as hubs on Hubpages on topics of your choice. And make sure your content is original and meets Hubpages quality standards. Next, enable earnings programs. Hubpages offers different earning programs that allow you to monetize your content. These include the Hubpages Ad Program, Amazon Affiliate Program, and eBay Partner Network. Enroll in these programs to start earning money from your content. Next, Hubpages Ad Program. This program allows you to earn money through ads displayed on your articles. Hubpages manages these ads through various advertising networks, and you'll earn a share of the ad revenue based on the traffic your articles receive. Next, Amazon Affiliate Program. By joining the Amazon Associates program through Hubpages, you can earn a commission on qualifying sales generated through Amazon product links placed in your articles. Next, promote your content. Share your articles on social media platforms, forums, and other online communities to attract more readers and increase your traffic. Next, engage with the community. Hubpages has an active community of writers and readers. Engage with other users by commenting on their articles, participating in forums, and building connections. Next, track your earnings. Monitor your earnings through your Hubpages account. The earnings will depend on factors such as the quality of your content, the amount of traffic your articles receive, and the effectiveness of the affiliate programs. Remember that earning money on Hubpages takes time and effort. Consistently creating high-quality content, optimizing your articles for search engines, and promoting your work will contribute to your success on the platform. Always make sure to follow Hubpages' terms of service and guidelines for creating content. Certainly, I'd be happy to continue with more information on how to succeed on Hubpages. Optimize for SEO search engine optimization. To attract more organic traffic, optimize your articles for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your article titles, headings, and throughout the content. This will help your articles rank higher in search engine results, leading to more readers and potential earnings. Update and refresh content. Keep your articles up to date by revisiting and refreshing them with new information when necessary. This can help maintain their relevance and improve their search engine rankings over time. Experiment with different topics. Hubpages allows you to write about a wide range of topics. Experiment with different niches to see what resonates with your audience. Pay attention to the performance of your articles and focus more on the topics that generate more engagement and traffic. Use visuals and multimedia, including images, videos, infographics, and other multimedia elements can make your articles more engaging and appealing to readers. Visual content can enhance the overall quality of your hubs and improve user experience. Remember that while Hubpages can be a source of income, it's important to approach it with realistic expectations. Thanks for watching.